Namaste children, good morning. Today I am going to teach one more new sound to all of you. Are you ready for the new sound? Yes, we are going to teach the sound L. The sound we are going to learn L. Come on, repeat with auntie. L. Okay children, now let me show the pictures. Yes. Are you ready? What is this? Lamb. Right? What is this? Lamb. What is this? Lynx. Which one is this? Lynx. Lemon. What is this? Lemon. Lion. Which animal is this? Lion. See, this is ladder, which we use to climb up. Right? What is this? Ladder. Lantern. Lantern. In olden days, for lighting up lights, we use this one. What is this? Lantern. You all know this bug, right? What is this? Ladybug. Ladybug. And what are these children? Leaves. Leaves. Okay. So now I introduce all the pictures to all of you, right? Now let's see once again. Now you all know the names of the pictures, right? Now let's read together. Okay? Are you ready, children? Yes. What is this? Lamb. Lamb. Leaves. Leaves. Ladybug. Ladybug. Lantern. Lantern. Ladder. Ladder. Lion. Lion. Lemon. Lemon. Linux. What is this? Linux. So now we learn the sound L, right? Now let me show how this sound look like. See, this is how L look like. The head, and this is the tail, right? Now let me show how to trace this sound. See, keep your fingers ready for tracing. Now we'll start from head, okay? L. First, you need to observe how I am tracing. Then you need to trace in the same way. At the end, don't forget to utter the sound. Okay, children? Now, let's do it once again. L. One more time. L. So now, show the book which you have with you, where you can find the letter and the as well. Okay? What is the sound? L. Lamb. Leaf. Lemon. Now, on the page, we will find few more pictures. Lantern. Ladybug. Ladder. Lion. Okay, children. So, this is for today. We learn the sound. It sound right. So next time I'll come up with one sound. Till that time, have a nice day. Bye, children. Have a great day.